Hi, I'm ADC of Purchase Rationale and also the author of Trend is Friend. Good day. The date today is 20th of February 2023. It's a Monday, the beginning and start of the week. And the time now is exactly 12:30 p.m. Malaysian time. Purchase Rationale rationalizes 15 reasons when considering a particular stock. I first put in a disclaimer uh, that whatever I share here is purely for information and education only. Should you decide to take action to purchase anything after our discussion, please first consult a financial planner or a licensed broker. All right. The stock that we are going to talk about today is one that I have done last year on 20th of October 2022. It's a plantation stock. Today, there is a trigger again, so we are going to take a look at that and see if whatever I discuss here is good for you too. All right. So the stock in focus today is INNO, and the stock code is 6262. Remember, this is a stock I am revisiting a second time since October 20th last year. All right. Okay. First, let's get to the fundamental again. Since it was some time that I have already done, so I will do the fundamental once again. All right. Of course, the first thing that we always want to look at for any particular company is the operating earning yield percentage, and you can see provides nearly 14% operating earning yield, meaning whatever differential the intrinsic value and the market price that therein exists, it should be able to be covered by the current operating earning, right? So it's good. And to look at the magic formula, so if you add the operating earning yield plus the ROIC, it has a handsome 40% return, right? So it more than meets the magic formula of what I require on my arbitrary requirement of only 15%. So this one 40%, most handsome. All right. It has a good acquirers multiple. You can see the enterprise value to EBITDA ratio is only 4.48, way below the 10 that qualifies it for the acquirers multiple, also indicating that there is good value at the current market price. All right. PAC ratio of 0.09, meaning has good future growth factors with it. Anything less than 1 is a good what we call number for to indicate future growth. Based a most handsome dividend last year uh, at nearly 14%. It has a free cash flow trailing 12 months of 110 million, and the F score, the Poyatrowski F score, is at a perfect 9. All right, this is the highest that a company can achieve, and price is at 9. Augment of 5.65, it only requires 2.5. The Z score has 5.65, way beyond even 2 times the necessary requirement. Meaning, uh, in the next 2 years, enterprise will not face any bankruptcy issue, right? Market cap 761 million. Okay, meet our 100 million normally, which if you look at the magic formula, we need a certain market cap size for a company to be deemed viable as an investment grade stock. Okay, current ratio 2.68, meaning it is able more than able to meet its commitment to any debt or payment of interest. Okay, so 2.68, normally 1.2 is good enough. This is 2.68. It's a net cash company because the net debt indicates minus 33 million. So it's a net cash company. And you can see that the net debt to EBITDA ratio is minus 0.25. So meaning it has more than enough cash to meet all its expenses ratio, including uh, capex, spending on capex or buying of new machinery, and has a positive retained earning of about 84 million. I will class Price as a near perfect investment grade stock. And let's take a look at the sentiment. However, it took quite a long time for it to trigger uh, again for the second time, our second revisit. This was the previous the previous revisit that we saw was in October 20th last year. Okay, to look at the sentiment, let's take a look at the chart. Okay, chart wise, it is an ascending chart. You can see almost instantly you can see actually the MA233 line, the ascending line of the ascending bull line, and you first the trend on the trend wise, you can see that actually there is a few higher lows already established, one here, one here, and one here. And the current higher low is one that is done above the MA233 line. So meaning it is ascending. Okay. So trend wise, it is already confirmed, and momentum. The price action is above the cloud, and you can see also the ROC, rate of change, has rebounded again above the neutral zero level, and indicating that momentum is building up for this particular stock as well. Okay. On the entry strategy, it is a MA rebound. It rebounds on this particular red line, which is the MA21. It's a momentum MA rebound above the cloud today. Okay. And if it is currently at the Elio wave 3, Elio wave 3, and is heading towards the apex of Elio Wave 3. So should you buy at the current price, closing price at 12:30 just now at 1 ringgit and 59 cent, with a target price at the apex of Elio Wave 3 at 1 ringgit and 89 cent, all right, with a stop loss of 1 ringgit and 51 cent, you will achieve a risk reward to risk ratio of 3.71 times, which is good. Anything above 2 is our target and goal, and since it's 3.71 times, it is excellent. Okay, on the volume volume side, it has not really come. come to a status or what I call bias impact. But you can see actually volume has been quite variable, up and down. But you can see actually more green lines. So as long as we begin to see the volume breakout above the average 90 days and the price breakout of around uh, the highest of the last few months, which is about 1 6. Okay, let's take it at one ringgit 60. When the price break out at 1 ringgit 60 cent, then you can expect actually price to continue its upward ascent to 1 ringgit and 89 cent. All right. Well, if you think this trading idea on price is informational and educational, please like, share, and subscribe. When you like, it helps the channel grow, and also it helps with the algorithm of the YouTube channel. All right, and if you share, perhaps some people who may want to have an investing idea given to them for consideration. They will get to listen to this particular sharing, uh, so that they can benefit from this sharing too. All right. And when you subscribe, you will receive continued notification of any new video of such nature that I make every working day. All right. So subscribe and continue to receive future notification of new videos made. Right. Uh, if you find some of the technical terms sounding very Greek to you, that I talked to you about, kindly ask for an explanation by writing a comment or asking a question in the section below. I shall be more than happy to explain what they mean to you. I'll get back to you uh, whenever you have a question asked. That I promise. My job is to actually help you understand what I share. Thank you for listening and also your time. Have a good day and bye bye.